Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we're going to try out one of the more unusual suggestions that I received in my subscriber comments. But before we do that, if you enjoy low-carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews, as well as lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button down there. And while you're at it, click the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. So I know I've mentioned in at least a couple of videos that I'm a pretty big fan of Keto Connect. And I love Matt's microwavable bread. I make big batches of the flour. It's just so I can make it anytime, just a few tablespoons, and I'm good to go. I'll see if I can find the link to that. If they've got a video for it, I got it out of their cookbook. But one of my viewer suggestions, and this came from Patrice Miller, was what would happen if you cooked the Keto Connect microwave bread in the dash griddle between two slices of cheese. Now I'm going to combine this with a suggestion from Katie Irish, who said use the Sargento ultra thin slices. So that's what we're going to do. Oh yeah, also Patrice didn't say if she meant the bread after it was cooked or the bread batter. So we're going to do both, you know, for science. Let's do it. So first we'll do the cooked bread. This is a slice, so about half of the standard recipe. And another slice of sharp cheddar. On the other side, slice of sharp cheddar. Get about half the mix. Another slice of cheddar. It's been about 5 minutes and they are mostly done steaming. So first we'll grab the bread and then we'll grab the batter version. They've both been cooling for about 3 minutes. So first let's try the bread version. It reminds me a lot of wisps, except I could only probably eat a couple of wisps before the flavor starts to overwhelm me. This, I think I could eat a little bit more, and I think it'd also be a decent delivery mechanism for something else. I'm not sure what that thing is yet. Whether, you know, maybe if you were doing a savory tuna melt, this might be pretty good. I'm gonna have to think on that. Now here's the version I made with the dough. Very similar flavors. The one that's made with the dough is a little bit more pliable. I think I kind of prefer the one made with the bread. It's a little extra crispy. It holds its shape a little bit better. I think what these would go really good with, what would really be a nice contrast to this cheddar, would be something barbecue, like maybe pulled pork or, you know, barbecue pulled chicken. They would also probably be pretty great for a breakfast sandwich. If you put an egg and a sausage patty or some bacon in between them, I could really see that being pretty tasty as well. So give these a try, see what you think, and maybe you'll have a better idea than I do in terms of how you can use these as a sandwich or a bun. Also, if you can think of a clever name for these, something that gives credit to Keto Connect or Matt over at Keto Connect for coming up with this microwavable bread, put that down in the comments too. And thanks for watching.